Hello friends, how are you? I hope that you're well. I am also well. Good news for pioneers. Next 100k KYC slots update. As we recently completed initial free 100k KYC for selected pioneers and in celebration of upcoming Pi Day, today we announce another free 100k KYC slots for community through existing automatic selection process as past. Same process as past. For example, selection criteria, past and future potential contribution to Pi network, including node, running node, platform, community, and engagement. See here, suggestion for KYC invitation. Pi node app running regularly. Number 1. Number 2. Copy common question from form and paste into chat room as answer of questions. Number 3. Spend Pi in Pi apps and perform in Pi app transfers. Number 4. Make a web application then submit to Pi developer team.